And ever wondered how to change your email password on your trusty iPhone 8 Plus? You're not alone. It's a common issue that comes up, especially when it's time to update security credentials. Let's uncover the mystery together. First, unlock your iPhone 8 Plus and find that iconic settings app. It's the silver gear symbol, usually hanging out somewhere on your home screen. If you don't see it, just swipe down and search. Can you find it? All right, now tap on settings and scroll down until you hit mail. This is where things start to get interesting. If your iPhone feels like a labyrinth, remember, mail is lurking midway through the list. Patience is key. Once inside mail, tap on accounts. This section corrals all the email accounts you have tied to your device. Sometimes just spotting that list can feel like discovering buried treasure. Do you see all your accounts? Time to tap the account for which you want to change the password. This is where focusing matters, because from here, we head to a specific region. Account again. You're just 2 steps away from email security greatness. I guess that now edit your password. You'll find the password field right in front of you. Make sure your new password is a fortress. A second area is this. The thing that we would really see is, and remember, something with at least 12 characters rocks the boat more effectively. Got that new password entered. Double check it. A minor slip can turn into a major frustration, and nobody likes being locked out. If everything checks out, tap done. It's that simple, but here's a heads up. If you're using a third-party email service like Gmail or Yahoo, a pop-up might request permission to sync changes. Don't panic. An extra step, yes, but necessary for security. Check your mail. Does it refresh normally? If you're all synced up, your mission was a success, and smooth sailing from here. If there's an error, retrace your steps, and often it's just a typo away from perfection. Hey, speaking of satisfying victories, consider changing passwords regularly. Not only does it thwart potential threats, but also keeps you on kind terms with your future self, who's thankful for the extra layer of security. Pro tip is use a password manager like LastPass or 1Password. Life gets stressful remembering everything. These apps collate your credentials securely and simplify your digital management in a heartbeat. Remember, with regular updates often solving tech headaches, habitually checking your device's software is smart. Stay ahead of issues before they happen. It's prevention over panic. That's worth its weight in peace of mind. If all else fails, don't hesitate to fall back on Apple support. They're the knights in shining armor for tech troubles. There's no shame in seeking help when your patience runs thin. But after all, tech can be darn finicky sometimes.